hours?
Oh yeah, they hired me. It's just I wish I was training now because then I'll be working. But
You talking about Mocha?
no, I'm talking about security.
Oh, okay. How many jobs you gonna have?
That's what I was saying to you, but you know, I'm like, I really gotta find something to change my time and money now. So it's just
Okay.
That's kind of what I've been kind of.
So where are you gonna do the security at?
I don't know. So medical center. I don't know. They were training today. They were training this week, but I'm too late in terms of everything's been full. So I don't know. I'm just trying to figure it out.
Face me in this direction.
Been in the bag.
Yeah. Getting it out, scoot your hips forward. Gotcha. Man, come on. This one. Face over.
The back flat, a little stiff.
Yeah. That way. Come on. Face up. What else has been going down?
That's mostly it. They're just trying to figure out exactly when do I get paid for when that's gonna happen.
Did you ask them?
Well, we have a meeting with on the 8th. So I'll ask them.
Oh yeah. Bills is non-stop, bro. For everybody. It ain't no joke out here.